Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to create some bows with you all, and I'm going to be featuring a die set from Scrap Diva Designs. Today is release day, so if I were you, I would run over there and see what you can grab. A lot of things are already sold out. I know for sure that one of the items that is sold out is the mug. Oh, I just had it. Here it goes. This cutie is already sold out. It is so cute. So I'm pretty sure a lot of things are going to sell out quickly, guys. If I were you, I would run and grab whatever you can get off the site before things sell out. You can use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase. So I'm featuring her 3D envelope box card die. And it creates this beautiful box that you can put cards into. I shared it in my other video. But with this die set, you get this adorable bow. This one here. So I have it here, and then I showed it in a tack flip that I created. How beautiful is that bow, guys? You have to grab it. So that's the bow set that I'm going to be using for today's bows. I kind of want to just layer a bunch of my bows that I have. So I'm going to be using this wired trim from Michael's that I recently got. It is on sale, buy two, get two free, I believe, guys. So take advantage of that sale if you want to grab any of those new. They have so many beautiful ones. I wanted to get so many, but I couldn't. So I just grabbed what I knew that I had to have right away. So I don't measure. I just kind of do something like this and eyeball it. And this is wired trim, so it holds the shape very nicely. I'm going to go ahead and poke out my tails and then bring this down, and I think I'm gonna fold it from the back. You're just gonna kind of pinch and fold like so. Then I'm gonna grab a rubber band, little elastic. You can use string, whatever floats your boat. Be careful because the ends of these do have wires. So make sure you guys trim those really well, and you be careful not to poke yourself. Okay, so you can go ahead and finish this off by putting another piece around it. I'm going to leave it like this because I'm not gifting this. This is going to be bows that I'm going to use on my projects. So it's going to be hidden anyways. So here goes our bow, right? And this is wired, so you can puff it up and adjust it to how you like it. I think that's good. But you know, you can adjust it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my tails. And then I'm gonna use the lighter to just light in the center so it doesn't fray too much. And then I have some of my double bows. So let's go ahead and glue that. My glue gun is giving me the hardest time. So just like that, this is gonna be like a triple layer bow. Four layers of bows. All right, we got that part. Let's go ahead and put on this one. And then I purchased a huge bag of bows from Amazon. This is a 50-piece set. Sorry guys, I've got projects and stuff everywhere. Let me move this cord. Okay, so if you guys want me to link that, let me know, but I'm gonna go ahead and take one of those. I purchased this off Amazon because these I got from Hobby Lobby. I've been obsessed and they're all gone. So we'll go ahead and add this one. I gotta hurry up for my glue gun. And there we go. A really extra beautiful bow. Again, you can put something in the center to hide that, but I think it's fine. It's gonna go fine on my projects. But you can always take a piece of your ribbon and then wrap it around like so and glue it on the back. Okay, and if you're using elastic, put the glue around the elastic, not like next to it, not on it, because they will pop. So if you want a much cleaner look, you can do that. Let's do another one really quickly. I'm gonna use this other ribbon. No, I'm gonna use this one. So I already have these pre-tied. Put that there. Let's put our paper bow. And then our cabochon. So you can put a snowflake one here, whatever your heart desires. I just want to make really pretty extra bows. And there we go. 2 beautiful bows, guys. I just had to use that Scrap Diva one again because it's just so beautiful. So make sure you guys run it over and snatch what you can from her release. Once again, if you want me to link those cabochons, just leave me a comment down below and I'll be sure to put them. I use these on everything. I've been using them on all my projects, and it's just nice to have extra. 50 is a great amount, so you can just, you know, put them everywhere. All right, I love you guys. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.